Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange and Tradex.live. Markets are still in consolidation mode. For the last few days, it has been consolidating very well. And Nifty came under selling pressure in the second half when it was going closer to 22,500. So you may remember I told you that 22,500 is going to be a good resistance at least for this expiry until tomorrow. And the global cues were really very good. Most of the Asian markets were, significantly higher, but still we tried to go very close to 22,500, then the selling came. And as I've been telling you, the global markets, they are factoring only Israel-Iran problem, but we also have additional problem, which is Mauritius tax treaty. So that's why the FII is relentlessly selling in the month of April. Since April 1 until today, FIIs have already sold for 30,000 crores. 30,000 crore, no, it's not a small figure. That too in just in 1 month. But despite that, the domestic institutions have been pumping in the money in huge quantities to support the market. So that's why, when the global sentiment is good, market goes higher, then FII come and sell, then market comes down. At the lower end, the domestic institutions buy, so this is how the market has been going on for the last many trading sessions. Today also, as usual, FIIs have sold and DIIs have bought. FIIs have sold for about 2,500 crores, but the domestic institutions have bought for 3,800 crore. So that was the reason why the most part of the day we were slightly bullish. And those who have taken 22,400 short straddle yesterday, they've made a fantastic profit today. So in the morning, if you can remember, I told you the banks are likely to do well. The IT, may be trying to bring the market down. That was very simple because I looked at the US ADRs. ICICI Bank ADR and HDFC Bank ADR both were higher, whereas the Infosys ADR was down. So that was exactly reflected here. ICICI Bank was up, HDFC Bank was up, and TCS and Infosys were down. So overall, it is still just a consolidation. So after the market close, there was some news flow. One, the Hindustan Unilever results were not really very good. But anyway, nobody is expecting Hindustan Unilever to come out with the good results because that stock has been, multi-year underperformer now. And then Axis Bank came out with the decent results because they have acquired Citibank business. So I do not know whether it is comparable to last year, but Axis Bank has been a decent result. So Axis Bank and ICICI Bank are expected to come out with the good results. So in fact, for the last 1 to 2 years, it is ICICI Bank and Axis Bank which are very bullish. So whatever the money has gone out of HDFC Bank must have gone to ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. And then there is some bad news for Kotak Bank. So RBI is restricting them from taking in new clients and issuing the fresh credit cards. So how these two stocks are going to react tomorrow, it will be interesting. But today the Bank Nifty was an outperformer compared to IT index. So, 48,200, so it was decisively sticking to that. And even in the last 1 hour, when there was a sudden selling happen, the selling came only in non-banking stocks. The banking stocks, Bank Nifty was trading around 48,200 only. Looking at the open interest, so there was a huge addition of open interest at 22,500 call option and huge amount of put options at 22,400 also, right? So if you look at the combined premium, so something around 75-80 rupees. So that means, tomorrow 22,580 on the higher side and 22,320 on the downside. So as long as the markets are trading in this range, so these people will make some profit tomorrow. So puts have been sold aggressively on the downside, calls also sold aggressively. So which means basically people are not expecting any big move. But during the corporate results season, we cannot say anything. Today, US markets, Facebook will come out with results after the market hours. So, last time when Facebook came out with good results, the price shot up nearly 25%. Right? Of course, Indian markets, they don't react that much. So there is no more important news for tomorrow. I think tomorrow Bajaj Finance will be coming out with the results. So there's a lot of speculative action. It's a very high volatile stock. Moves 100 points up, 100 points down so easily intraday. So let us see tomorrow where we are going to open. We will discuss the rest of the things tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.